This is TWiT.
Fitting today's theme perfectly is an app by a company you may have heard of before. Facebook has been operating on a multi-app strategy the past few years. Some, like Instagram, were successful on their own prior to being acquired by the company. Others, like Poke and Home, didn't make much impact, if any. But that's not slowing Facebook down. Last week, they released a new standalone app called Hello. And like TrueDialer, its aim is to make your phone smarter so you know more about the people who call you, and that can help when you receive a call from someone you don't want to talk to. All of this is pulled from Facebook's immense database of 1.44 billion monthly active users. That's no joke. If a user has shared their number with Facebook, and you actually have access to that from within Facebook, then you'll benefit when they call you. In other words, users that share their number publicly or users that are your friends that have shared their contact info with you on the service, you'll be able to see their numbers. You can also block unwanted or unlisted calls from getting through. One thing to note is that Hello is not utilizing Messenger for voice over IP. This is essentially a dialer replacement that uses your existing voice plan minutes. Though I really wouldn't count that kind of functionality out in the long term. Facebook thinks of this app as a way to save your minutes by knowing when you should pick up the phone and when you can let the call pass through to voicemail. Enhanced caller ID is what we're talking about here. Obviously, there are parallels between Hello and TrueDialer in that using these services requires you to be okay with giving up your contact info. But in the case of Facebook, you've kind of already done that if you're a user of the service, so I suppose that means you have little more to lose. Hello is limited to the US, Brazil, and Nigeria at the moment. You can check it out for yourself, if you can, in the Play Store for free.